What was that?
Phew, landed safely.
Whoa!
The formula! Hey, write this down!
Oh, right. My notebook was ruined.
Huh?
I only have these. No excuses here.
Here,
Thank you. Thanks.
go on, take notes.
Ugh. Mine is so cute. Ugh, so lame. Just like mine. Time to give it an upgrade. Cause this sad little notebook needs a goth awakening. Applying glue all over the cover first. Goodbye, plain cover. Hello, masterpiece of darkness. Not done yet. Ordinary books get stickers. Mine gets armor. Feeling mischievous. Oh. Ah! Nothing says hands off like a spider on the cover. So spooky. Wow. Now mine looks like a sad diary. That didn't work. You have to make a real effort. Ah, okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna turn this into a total fairy tale dream. Every princess needs a magical entrance. Once the door is finished, I'll step through it into a world of wonders. Let's give it some texture. Ta-da! Time to paint. Of course it's gonna be pink. Duh! It's giving dream door to Barbie's dream house. Wow. At least mine's got edge. I'll win. Dream on.
Huh?
Mine's better. Please, get real. Be quiet.
Stop!
Yours is basic. Oh. Okay, back to formulas. Huh? Can I borrow a pen? Sure. Which color? They're all pink. Never mind. Looks like I'm gonna have to make one. No bright colors allowed. Black only, please. Cause obviously I need a pen as dark as my soul. This kitty is creepy, sparkly, and watching you. And also judging you. Haha. A little black cat magic ready to write spells. I mean, essays. It's perfection. Look what I drew. Oh. How come you always make me jealous? Step aside. Let me show you how it's really done. Step 1. Easy. Draw what you need. Pink vibes only. Next, cover the whole thing with clear tape. Cut and glue. Almost done. Just upgrading it from 2D to 3D. Cute fluffy ears and a bow? Why not? I totally write love letters with this. Typical.
And salt! Again with the crafts? Enough! Our books page.
Emergency meeting!
But
I need you.
the class!
Now!
Sure, if you insist.
If I'm going down, she's going down. She won't be needing this ugly thing. Payback time, glitter girl. Ha ha ha! Revenge tastes so sweet. Time to pack my stuff. Searching for this? Yeah. Huh? Ew! Oops. Sorry not sorry. You should know you're the villain in my story. I need a new pencil case. I got an idea! Let's make one! When it comes to DIY, you know I'm unstoppable. Colorful paper, plus double-sided tape, plus toilet paper roll, plus some beads, equals to the cutest pencil holder. Forget math, I'm better at art formulas. Wow. You won everything. Aww. I can't stand a sad face. Let me make you a beautiful one as well. I see a clear jar and I want to paint it black. That must be your favorite song, huh? Come on, a little color won't hurt. Hey! Wow! Consider this my truce offer. Ooh. Finally some order to my chaotic table. Thank you. Aw, my pleasure. Huh?
Phew, that was intense.
He got an A, huh? Round 2.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
I can't say no to the principal.
Love is in the air! That means more art time for us. Wow, even your bag is goth. I want my bag to reflect my style too. Time to make bag charms. Pink beads are non-negotiable. Oh, this'll test my patience. But hey, good things take time. Only one? Please, I made 5. Let's bedazzle my bag. Charm Squad assemble! Looks so cool! Wow, I'm impressed. And inspired.
I need to put these in my locker. I really should get a lock. Huh? A secret room? I've never noticed that before. Well, I may as well have a look around. Wow, it's so roomy. Oh, that looks cozy. At last, I have somewhere to read and study. Wow, I didn't know that. I need to come here more often.
Whoa! Hi, Ellie!
Why? As if I'm talking to Justin. Ugh, I can't understand any of this. I need some me time. Luckily, I have somewhere exclusive to hang out. You need a gold card to get in. This is more like it. My happy place. Time for some fun. Oh, these look interesting. Whoa, it's so realistic. What a day. I need to relax. This is the latest security measures. You can't be too careful. Oh, you're finally here. Take a seat. I hate it when the help talks to me. I want to be pampered. Okay, I'm just gonna apply a face mask. It's the best money can buy. It's made from gold. Your skin will look like $1 million. Which is funny, because that's how much this costs. Here you go. I love my job. Why are you still here? This is the life. They're both ridiculous! I'm so hungry. I need something to eat. But what? There's not much to choose from. I know! I suit this color. Let the hunt begin! Aha! Nice and juicy. I guess this is fast food. Nice and easy. What a treat. I love spider. What? Oh, right. I forgot about these two. I need to find a new job. Huh? What was that? What a great sleep. Time to get ready. No water? How am I supposed to get washed? At least I can still brush my teeth. Who needs a toothbrush? Minty fresh. Okay. It'll have to do. What should I wear? Okay, it's cute. Well, it'll have to do. No, that yacht is too small. Rise and shine. Oh, right. I guess I'll need to be creative. Wow, I'm good. Hey, wake up! Yoo-hoo! I know, she won't be able to resist this. Gold. What a wonderful dream! Excellent work as usual. Just doing my job. Bye. Oh, morning already. Where's my makeup phone? Hello? I need your help. What can I do for you? I need to look good. I need you to do my makeup. It'll cost you. Where's the money? Fine. Take it. Seriously? No way. Do I have to do everything myself? This is so boring.
Okay, I think we're ready to get going. Hey, look interested. Our first graduate is Cheryl.
My adoring fans.
You're only graduating because your dad bought us a swimming pool. Congratulations!
Why are you touching me?
Ugh.
I don't like this. I'm leaving.
Let's hear it for Cheryl. Next up, Ellie.
Make sure the photographer gets my good side.
Here's your diploma.
Yeah, I did it!
You sure did.
Selfie time! Oh, that's cute.
Okay, get off the stage. Finally, we have Essie.
I'm so happy! Woohoo!
Here's some paper.
That's it?
Oh, I promised myself I wouldn't cry. Come here, you. Okay, compose yourself, Kevin. You deserve this, Essie.
Whoa! A grant! Woo! Yeah! Go, Essie! This is the best day ever!
If you were giga rich, what would be on your shopping list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.